What's up guys, it's Justin with Sticker Shuttle. Today we're making a vinyl banner. I've already printed the vinyl banner on my S8600. Next we're going to cut it off of the take up, then we're going to tape the edges, then we're going to hem the edges, and then we're going to grommet the edges. Before I get started, I want to show you all the tools that you'll either need or are optional to make the job a little bit easier. Let's get started. First up, you're going to need a razor blade and make sure it's fresh. Then you're going to need a roller to roll the hemming, and of course double-sided tape from Sign World 1 inch. All right, so first we want to pull this out. It's a bit awkward, but once I get it out, I'll be able to cut this and then be able to just lay it on both sides, which will make it a little bit easier to handle. So I've got my razor blade. This doesn't need to be super straight. I just need to get it off of this roll. Now I'm going to take this off since we don't need it and it can just get in the way. So now we have this banner completely ready to cut properly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it where this green edge is. I already have the lines in place so that I can know where to fold, but this cut should be pretty easy. I won't even need a ruler for that. I did forget to mention on the things that you might need. A heavy ruler is nice. I don't always use it simply because with vinyl banner material, there are channels that you can cut down. So let's go ahead and start by cutting that, and I'll go ahead and show you that process. We're gonna go ahead and cut those lines that I just showed you. It doesn't really matter where you start because the part that I'm cutting along is gonna be on the back, and if it's not perfect, that's okay. So let's go ahead and start. I'll just go ahead and start by cutting here. Now, yes, I could probably use the ruler, but like I said, I've done this enough times that I should be able to do it with no mistakes. And like I said, it doesn't need to be perfect. It's not going to be showing. Push this a little bit. And we're going to cut this to the bottom. Awesome. Let's go ahead and bring it back. We're going to do the same thing right over here. Just make sure we get this little piece out of the way. Now while we have this over, let's go ahead and do this entire side. Go ahead and do this side now. Last, all we have is this piece. There we go. Now we got this banner all cut and ready to go. What we're going to do next is we're going to cut these corners off so that way when we fold these, it's super simple and it doesn't overlap. Before we continue, let's go ahead and clean up our trash because we are responsible. You want to be careful because these things can crease, especially when they're fresh off the press. But next we're going to actually fold this over, and just like that. The less you can put the front of it onto something scraping it, the better. So now we're actually going to hem all 4 of the sides. I'm going to start with the long side and then I'm going to fold it over. We're going to try to line this up as much as we can. Again, it doesn't need to be perfect. One thing I like to do is with my right hand, my right index finger, and then this hand, I like to pull apart. That way it gives a little bit of tension so there's no pockets that get created. You can do as big stripes as you want, but as long as you're pushing with this index finger over here, you should be good. And I'll go through with the roller after this to make sure it's nice and secure. And again, I am going a bit slower here just because I don't want to mess this up for the video, and these people are in a bit of a rush. The last thing you need to do when you're rushing is reprint. So now we're going to take our roller tool and we're going to roll across it all the way down. You'll start to see the ridges conforming to the adhesive. One last stripe. Perfect. Now this next part can be tough with gloves, so what we're going to do is we're going to peel. I usually just push at the corner, one of these corners, and it will come up. There we go. And you'll see the adhesive on the back. Don't touch that with your glove, it will rip it off. So it looks like it stopped here. Now there is no perfect method to this. Some people like to go from the middle, some people like to go from the end. What I like to do is grab the middle, and if you see, if I just start doing it like this right away, it's gonna start kind of arching this and creasing this. So what I like to do is roll it a bit, come back, find my point, and boom. Should be able to just press this down a little bit. You don't have to go super hard. We'll use the roller again. You want that dashed line to be behind. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and continue this down to this side. And if you ever want to straighten it, just kind of run your fingers above the adhesive and it'll just straighten it out. So if you look closely, you'll see that it's kind of bubbling up. Right? That's because I haven't rolled it yet. So let's go ahead and roll it. We're just going to take this and you'll immediately see, I'll stop here. Look at the difference. So let's go ahead and roll it. I like to do one pass up and down. You can do this if you want to do extra, but I don't need to. Now I went ahead and printed the grommet holes, 3 on the sides and 4 on the top. This will just keep it from buckling whenever you hang it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then 1 on the end there. Now I'm using black grommets only because it matches a little bit more than the gold. So we're going to load the top grommet there, bottom grommet here. Line this up with the hole. And perfect. Now we're going to do this across the entire banner. that's how you make a vinyl banner. I've got 4 grommets at the top, 3 grommets on the side. This is outdoor proof. And there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys found value in this video, let me know about it below. I love reading comments about stuff they learned throughout the videos. It's part of the reason I even do these videos. So again, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any other questions about my process or any other process regarding vinyl banners, stickers, posters, whatever it may be, comment below and I'll do my best to respond. Till next time, cheers.